Now, what do you expect from your disciple?
They will preach
basic thing. As a,
they will also preach as I am preaching.
I see.
They will preach the same thing as I am preaching according to my spiritual master's instruction. Similarly, they will preach according to my instruction.
What if someone deviates from your teaching?
There is no loss. This was I was explaining, because it is spiritual science. Anything spiritual that is eternal, it is never, lost, never destroyed. So whatever they have learned, that is basic for further learning. Suppose if they cannot finish the total process or program, then they will get a chance, another chance to begin in the human form. So practically there is no loss. As ordinary beings, whatever they are creating in this life, after giving up this body, everything is lost. But this Krishna consciousness, even it is not completed, whatever they have learned, that will go with it. Because it is spiritual. It will not be disturbed. But they are being trained up to finish the course and program within this life, not to wait for the next life. That is our goal.